In this lesson, you will add mark information to identify each beam type, and you will then sort the schedule by mark, hide specific columns, and finally, you will modify the existing rebar information. Click the menu browser and select Open. And in the Open dialog, from the Training Files Imperial folder, open the file rstdocsch04 Customize Schedule. Let's add mark data for different beam types. Open the view 02 floor and zoom in and right-click any beam labeled C24 and click Select All Instances. Then, from the Element Properties drop-down, select Instance Properties, and under Identity Data for Mark, type B1. Then, click OK, and then click OK to close the Revit warning regarding elements having duplicate mark values. Then, right-click any beam labeled C16 and click Select All Instances and set their mark value to B2. Then right-click any beam labeled C12 and click Select All Instances and set their mark value to be B3. Then open the concrete beam schedule view and let's sort and filter the schedule by mark value. Right-click in the open area next to the schedule and select View Properties and click Edit for sorting and grouping. For Sort By, select Mark and clear Header, Footer, and Itemize Every Instance and click the Filter tab. For Filter By, select Mark, then select Contains and type B. Next, let's hide columns. Click the Formatting tab and under Fields, select Reference Level and under Field Formatting, click Hidden Field and click OK twice. The schedule is no longer itemized and does not show each beam. It now groups all the beams of the same mark in a single row. Also, the reference level column is now hidden. To show all hidden columns, you would right-click in the open area next to the schedule and select Unhide All Columns. You can also hide a column by right-clicking the desired column and selecting Hide Column. Let's rename the existing rebar parameter. Right-click the open area next to the schedule and click View Properties. Then, for Formatting, click Edit and under Fields, select Rebar and under Heading, type Bottom Bars. Then, click OK twice. The rebar field is now renamed. Let's add a new rebar parameter. Go to View Properties and for Fields, click Edit. Then click Add Parameter and type Top Bars. Then click OK and click Move Up until Top Bars is above Comments and click OK. Then close Instance Properties and let's group rebar columns. Select both the bottom bars and top bar's headings, and on the schedule panel, under headers, click group. Then click inside the new cell and type rebar. Now let's enter rebar data. For mark B1, under bottom bars, type 2-pound7A space 1-pound7B. And for top bars, type 2-pound5 space C. Then for mark B2, enter the same information, substituting the number 7 with the number 6. And for mark B3, enter the same information with the number 5. Then close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file, and that concludes this lesson.